Opening SteelSeries Sonar only to find that your headset is not being detected cannot be good, especially when audio settings refuse to load or the headset never appears inside the software. Many users notice the headset working outside Sonar but staying invisible in the app, while others see connection problems after updates or restarts. Sometimes the headset connects briefly and disappears again without warning. In many situations, a SteelSeries Sonar not detecting headset issue can happen because of incorrect audio settings, software communication problems, USB interruptions, or temporary device glitches. Before reconnecting everything repeatedly or changing random sound settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get SteelSeries Sonar detecting your headset properly. Steps to fix it. 1. Disconnect and reconnect the headset securely and confirm the computer recognizes it outside SteelSeries Sonar normally. 2. Restart the computer and reopen SteelSeries Sonar after startup finishes completely. 3. Open sound settings and make sure the correct headset appears as the active playback and microphone device. 4. Check SteelSeries Sonar audio routing settings and confirm the headset is selected properly inside the software. 5. Test game audio or voice chat and confirm whether SteelSeries Sonar detects the headset normally afterward.